Hi everyone, Jane here from Jenny and Teddy. So in this tutorial we are going to make the springtime kimono cardigan. This cardigan is very simple to make. They made from just two identical rectangles and fold them in half. Then we will sew in the middle section to create the back panel of the kimono cardigan, and then we will create the armhole by sew on the side, and that's all we done. You can see how easy they are. If you want to make them in the bigger size or small size, you can add more row to the rectangle, and I hope you go enjoy the tutorial. So what you need to make a springtime kimono cardigan is crochet hook size, 6mm crochet hook, yarn needle, a pair of scissors, stitch marker, and some clip. But if you have a stitch marker, you don't need a clip, but I prefer to use a clip for marking for the place to do the armhole or something like that. It's more cute, so I can keep going. So and the yarn that I use is cotton DK weight yarn. So let's get started. So in this example size, we will making for size small to medium, and if you want to make a bigger size, you just add more row to the crochet rectangle, and we will start with the chain 126. The multiple of the foundation chain will be in even number in the set of 2. Like we will start with the slip knot, and then chain 126 chain for size small to medium. The number of the foundation chain is the length that you want your kimono cardigan to be. If you want the kimono cardigan to be longer, you just add more chain to the foundation chain. So we will chain 126, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and I will go off the camera and meet you when I finish 126 chain for size small to medium. I am now finished 126 chain. I will measure up. There will be about 49 inch. If you want your kimono cardigan to be longer, you just add more chain to the foundation chain in the set of 2. So after we finish the 126 chain, the foundation chain, we will start on row 1. Of the row 1, we will make single crochet in each chain across. So on row 1 we make single crochet in each chain across, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet here. So we make 1 single crochet in each chain across until the end of the row. I will meet you at the end of the row. Here, just keep making 1 single crochet in each chain across on row 1. I will meet you at the end of row 1. And I am now at the end of row 1, and I finished row 1 already. Then at the end we will just chain 1 and turn your work and start on row 2. On row 2 we will make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Just make 1 single crochet in each stitch across until the end of the row. Just tuck your yarn tail in. I have quite a long yarn tail. So we will make on row 2 we will make 1 single crochet in each stitch across until the end of the row, and I will keep making 1 single crochet in each stitch across. I will meet you at the end of row 2. Just keep making 1 single crochet. I meet you at the end of row 2 here. Now I am at the end of row 2 that we just make single crochet in each stitch across. At the end, turn your work, and on row 3 we will chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. On this row 3 we will make crisscross triple crochet stitch by skip 1 stitch here, and then we make a triple crochet stitch here. Grab the yarn 2 times and make triple crochet stitch on the next stitch. We skip 1 stitch here and we make triple crochet stitch on the next stitch. Grab the yarn, pull to 2 loop, grab the yarn, pull to 2 loop, grab the yarn, pull to 2 loop. And now we are going to make triple crochet stitch in the stitch that we just skip here. By grab the yarn 2 times, and then we will go back and then make a triple crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now we create our first crisscross triple crochet stitch already, and then we are going to do the next one by grab the yarn 2 times, skip 1 stitch and make triple crochet in the next stitch. Grab the yarn, pull to 2 loop, grab the yarn, pull to 2 loop, grab the yarn, pull to 2 loop, and grab the yarn 2 times. And we are going back on the stitch that we just skip and make triple crochet in this stitch by go back and then here and grab the yarn and make triple crochet stitch. 1 and 2 and 3. So now we have a second crisscross triple crochet stitch already, and we are going to repeating this by skip one stitch here and make triple crochet in the next stitch. Grab the yarn 2 times, make triple crochet stitch, pull through 2 loop, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loop, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loop, and then we are going to make a triple crochet stitch in the stitch that we just skip here. Grab the yarn 2 times, go back, and grab the yarn, pull through here. And now we are going to repeating this. I will do the last one more for you. So wrap the yarn 2 times, skip 1 stitch and make triple crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2 and 3. We make triple crochet in this stitch already, and then we are going back to make 1 triple crochet in the stitch that we just skipped here by wrap the yarn 2 times, go back to the stitch that we just skipped, and grab the yarn, pull through 2 loop, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loop, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loop, and now we will keep repeating this by skip 1 stitch and make triple crochet in the next stitch, and then we go back to make the triple crochet in the stitch that we just keep repeating this until the end of the row. I will meet you at the end of the row 3 here. And now I am at the end of row 3 that we just make a crisscross triple crochet stitch. So at the end, if you have 1 stitch left, we will make triple crochet stitch in the last stitch, but I have 2 stitch left. We will just make triple crochet stitch in the last stitch, will be fine. So if you have 2 stitch left, you just skip 1 stitch and make triple in the last stitch. But if you have 1 stitch left, just make triple crochet in this stitch. You should have a 1 stitch left, but I have 2, that will be fine too. So if you have 2, skip 1 and make triple. If you have 1, just make triple crochet in this stitch. So chain 1, turn your work, and now we will repeat row 1 and row 2 and row 3 from here until you have about 15 inch wide this way. So we will make single crochet in each stitch here. Repeat row 1 and row 2, we will make a single crochet, and row 3 we will make triple crochet stitch. So we will repeat row 1, row 2 and row 3, row after row, until we have 15 inch wide this way. I will go off the camera and meet you when I get 15 inch wide. If you want to make the kimono cardigan long, bigger size, just add more row by making maybe 16-inch wide or 20-inch wide, depend on your size. So I will meet you there. And 15-inch wide for the small size to medium size. So now I am finished. Repeat row 1 to row 3 already, and I measure from here to here. It's about 15-inch, and we will do the same to the second rectangle. So I will repeat the same for the second rectangle, and when I finish the second rectangle, we will ready to assemble together. So see you there. I'm now finished 2 rectangle already, and we will ready to assemble by the fold each piece in half, each rectangle in half. And now we are going to connecting them in the middle part by use the stitch marker. This one. Mark. We will sew from the bottom to the top. So we will create the back panel by sewing in the middle. Use it here, the yarn needle, and sew along here. So now we are done. Create the back panel by sewing here, and for the armhole, we will create the armhole by use the stitch marker, and for my side it's about 6-inch, depend on your arm size. So this part we're not sewing, we will sew along here from this to the bottom of the kimono cardigan. So that's all we done. I hope you go enjoy the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.